In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your flight booking on Expedia. Whether your plans have shifted or you just found a better flight time, I'll walk you through each step so you can update your trip quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head over to the Expedia website by typing expedia.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official site before you move on. If you already have an Expedia account and you booked your flight while signed in, it's a good idea to log in now so all of your trips are easy to find. If you checked out as a guest, don't worry, you can still access your booking as long as you have your confirmation details. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Trips. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main hub where Expedia stores all your current and past reservations, including flights, hotels, and vacation packages. After you click on Trips, you'll be taken to a page that organizes your reservations. Here, look for a tab or section labeled Booked. Click on Booked to view your active upcoming trips. This is where you'll see flights you've already reserved that haven't taken place yet. On the Booked page, take a moment to carefully find the specific flight booking you want to change. If you travel often, you might see multiple trips listed by date and destination. Look at the departure and return dates, the cities, and the airline to make sure you're opening the correct reservation. Once you've identified the right one, click on that trip to open the full details. Inside the trip details, you'll see information about your flight, such as the airline flight numbers, departure and arrival times, and passenger names. Here, look for an option to modify your booking. This might appear as a button or link that says something like Change Flight or Modify. Click on that option to start the change process. At this stage, Expedia will usually show you what parts of your trip are eligible to change. Some flights are more flexible than others, and you may see information about any change fees or fare differences. Take the time to read any notes or alerts on the screen so you understand if there will be extra charges or restrictions before you proceed. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to select your new flight options. You'll typically be able to choose new dates, times, or sometimes even different routes, depending on the airline's rules. Compare the options carefully, looking at layover times, total travel time, and prices. Once you've decided, select the new flight that works best for your updated plans. After choosing your new option, you'll see a summary of the change, including any additional cost or potential refunds. Review everything one more time: passenger details, travel dates, flight times, and airports. If everything looks correct, continue to the checkout or confirmation step and finalize the change. When the change is complete, Expedia will update your itinerary and send a new confirmation email. It's a good idea to save or screenshot your updated details so you have them handy at the airport. That's all it takes to change your flight booking on Expedia.